The Hair Butler has a spot for everything that you need for an install. So I'm going to walk you through step by step all the unique features that it has and where things can go and how you can use it. As you move through an install, one thing that you will need is your looper tool. And depending on the kind of looper tool that you like, either a bead one or one that's metal, you can hang both of these on the Hair Butler. You can hang them over top of the bolt, or you can hang it in the teeth of the Hair Butler. Maybe you're installing two different types of methods. One looper tool on one side, one looper tool on the other side, and then that way they don't get tangled. One amazing feature that I found that is so necessary in a hair extension install is keeping your thread clean. So this acts as a holder for your thread, and it can hold a large spool of thread, or let's say you use a different type of thread or a smaller thread. That also will fit in there. If you are the type of person that measures out the thread into arm's length, you can pull this out from the tool and measure it really easily. And once you pick the scissors up, we have holes inside the Hair Butler where you can stick the scissor in there to hold that, and then that way you don't get cut and it's always there. So a lot of times when you're sectioning off somebody's hair to do hair extensions, you have to pull their hair up at the top of their head. And before you do anything else, you need one of these because this secures their hair on top of their head. So you can keep this on top of your thread and it's there for you to grab once you have their hair up. One of the coolest features about the Hair Butler that I love is the fact that there's a magnet on the end of the end cap. And so you can stick all of your tools on the magnet, even the needles that you work with. Even when you're taking out an install, that your tools are always right here. One of the things that I have found so frustrating in working with machine tied wefts is when you're trimming the mustache, bending this weft up to kind of get in there to actually trim this off is kind of a pain, and it's really difficult. The Hair Butler allows you to pull this through, and if you pull this out and bend it and then pull it back, it captures the mustache hair, and you can just run your scissors through the end of this and trim those mustache hairs right off without having to get in there like this to do it. I think that it helps efficiency wise, and I find that it's more accurate. Of course, what would the Hair Butler be if it didn't hold hair? My hair is always where I want it to be, and it's never on the floor. When I'm doing an installation where I have two rows, I can separate this top and bottom. You can put a little round magnet on the end to specify which one is the top and which one is the bottom, but you can work off of both sides of the Hair Butler when doing an install. The Hair Butler is extremely sturdy. You can put the hair on here and really tug on it. You can blow dry on here. You can comb this out. You can highlight from this. You can braid this. You can curl it. And it is so secure. It doesn't move. You don't have to worry about anything slipping or falling. It's never in your way. You can if you're doing highlights, you can let this process and just move it away from your station, take your next client, and then move back in, grab this, and it's right here. It's amazing. The inside of the Hair Butler is made wide enough that you can fit your bead canister in there. So if you're using your beads or whosever color is in there, you can line up all the little canisters in here. When you're working and you need your sectioning comb, the comb just fits right in the teeth like that, and it's there secure. If you need to hang a water bottle off of here, you can hang the water bottle off of it and work from one side and then move to the other. Chocolate. Everyone needs chocolate. And they conveniently fit inside the Hair Butler as well, so you can take a caffeine and chocolate break when you need.